Okay, lagi ya. The second part. Sol, 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 mi, sol, sol, mi, sol, sol, mi, sol, la, do, la, sol, sol, mi, sol, sol, mi, sol, sol, mi, sol, la, do, la, do, do, tanpa tekan apa-apa, do. Okay, di loop start bertu. Do, 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 mi, do, mi, re, do, mi, re, do. Muni di Korea Raya Chang. Nang speaker ko na. Okay, Kagolin.
Ada suara. Wow, amazing.
Dapat tangkap Kagolin. Hi Duke. Are you okay there? Tune your topic to D chord. Okay. If you have a tuner. Ya, saya ulang lagi ya. Jared, Mia Colin.
Boleh.
Yo, tapi yeah, because it's a small size and not that too long, less than 3 feet. Which part is the machine head? You push it slowly inside. Hold the head, push it slowly inside to tighten it, to tighten the string. Okay, so ni na look simple lah sa konaro ni kan. So saya ajar kamu hari ini dia punya skill. Yang skill ni saya ajar kamu supaya kamu pengelipkan. After this I show you the skill of the fingering. Then you can make some different sound of this datudang tudos bulang. Ni ada kok. Apa yang beza dari Colin? Nanu ni bekan kali ko.
Ainan baru praktis ini ada.
Okay.
Lagu dong.
Okay, ni sini skill na ke. Nyar ticu ni. Dia punya mata ni, the eyes still here, but the soul dia landing sekejap saja. Ada beza bunyi dia kan? Daripada saya buat macam ni. Kan? Satu-satu. Asal pakai eyes kita basol kita pekan dari tengah. So triknya kan, sebulang ni dia mesti lun dasar, chord dasarnya. Lepas tu baru yang jari tengah kamu ni, okay, yang hard sol ni, dia bila dah sampai di sini, won kau ingat ya, me benar, ngelakut dia benar. At the same time, kalau kau ngelakut na kan, kamu strum dia juga, string di bawah tu. Ini bunyi tanda. Yang ini kami panggil smur, SMUR. Sekejap saja dia, landing saja sekejap. So this skill, the fingering skill, kau belajar lah, you learn. Any chord. It will produce a different sound. Some says it's like the hornbill sounds lah. Okay, I'm back to Datu Dong with Terus Bulang. So I show you that is how the fingering lah. Datu deng, datu deng, datu dong, sebuteng.
Sambil pingin kedengaran kan, sambil itu mainin jangan juga.
Siapa tuh?
Ini suara, enak.
Oke, Kau Chang.
Mau tanya,
Oke.
this, oke. Kalau waktu si turun di bawah,
Aha. Oh yang ngetek sekali lah. Okay. So tonight I just show you how to do the fingering dekat fret ni ya. And then how to pluck. So whether you use the pick, whether you use your thumb or your pick and your pointer, your thumb and your pointer. Okay. So just now I use pick. Let's say I'm use my thumb. Okay, I'll show you. I use my thumb. So the second string gun, when you use your thumb, the second string do sama. First and second string is the same, do. Do, then strum the second string. Do, tak perlu saya strum the first string. Sama juga ada. Dan bila saya masuk second string, second string dulu. So maksudnya the second string is like a drone. You plug the second string, the upper string, the upper one, the second one first. Second string, second string, second string, second string, second string. So that is how the tricks when you play with the drone. Okay, but tonight another skill, the plucking. Another skill is your fingering. I focus to fingering malam ni. Boleh kan? Macam Colin, Duke, you can dah? Deh. Tudang dan tudoi sebulan, dan tudang dan tudang dan tudoi sebulan, dan tudang dan tudang dan tudoi sebulan, tudang dan tudang dan tudoi sebulan, dan 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 tudang dan tudang dan tudoi sebulan, tudang dan tudang dan tudoi sebulan, dan 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 tudang dan tudoi sebulan, dan tudang dan tudang dan tudoi sebulan. Alright. Okay, kape Colin. Kau berat pem?
Yalah.
Kau berat pem? Acang dapat
Benar.
kan?
Inanu ni kan.
Okay, coba.
Inanu ni topik gitu.
Coba. Naya mendengar. Naya pendengar itu.
Pasal tu ni lah.
Dan pakai speaker kah?
Nah, setup speaker apa?
Okay, no problem. So what you need to do, you go to your Zoom, original sound for musician. Kau tekan tu, audio setting. You go to audio setting, original sound, original sound.
Iya apa nak?
You go to audio setting. You go to audio setting. Ada kan? dekat microphone tu kau tekan click on the right, then you click audio setting. Pakai handphone kah kau?
Ya.
Oh, handphone macam mana oh? Ada microphone tu kan? Then you click that audio setting microphone kan? Handphone saya tidak tahu lah, sorry.
Original musician.
After that kau cari original sound for musician. Then kau klik tu, then auto dia akan detect live musician live sound. Baru you ngekam sound vocal and voice. Acang okay? Mek ya? Kalim? Okay, so actually basically for tonight kan, the tune Datudang Witudo Sebulang, the skill, fingering skill, the pointer, mata, eyes. Okay, the middle finger one is the sol, and then the heart. The third finger is the heart. So you practice yourself how to do the fingering on the fret. So normally press next to the fret. You can feel the fret. If you you can press on the middle, but sometimes can very hard to get the correct right tune now. It's right actually, but right tune. And to be safe also, press next to the fret. Yeah, press next to the fret to be safe lah. And this is a fingering. And then I show you how to play this Datudang Tudo Sebulang. The skill of just landing for a while. Then you pull the string down. Use your sol. At the same time, you pluck your first string. That's why we can produce that kind of sound. I call it menudun or hornbill sound. So that is the skill kita belajar, we learn tonight. Jari jemari keras. Kena lembutkanlah jari jemari kau tu. Lloyd, kau punya jari jemari sudah lembut ke Lloyd? Left handed tapi kita ni. Muda ya thumb down pa. Kau jarang main kali. Kau selalu main drum sana. So I leave you with this Datudang Tudo Sebulang, playing at the same time singing. The lyric very simple. I put on the chat for you, Duke. Since three of them is Lun Bawang and you are the only one is not Lun Bawang. And Japanese, Datudang Tudo Wi Sebulang. Just repeating this lyric. The meanings of this is I'm so sad, I'm so lonely. Something like that. Betul kah cikgu English? Lloyd, betul kah? Okay, that is the lyrics. Acang, Kalim itu lirik dia. Datudang Datudo Wi Sebulang. Just repeating. Okay, sampai ke boring. Actually I have another lyric, but that one is my own composition. When I live perform, singing perform, then I do. It's more like poem. Saya pakai pick Now I'm using pick and I play while singing sebulan, datu deng, datu deng, datu doi 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 sebulan, datu deng, datu doi sebulan. Now I use thumb. Take out my pick, I use thumb. Datu deng, datu deng, datu doi sebulan, 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 datu deng, datu doi sebulan, datu deng, datu deng, datu doi sebulan, datu deng, datu deng, datu doi sebulan. Thumb. Now I use thumb dengan my pointer. Ada guna juga jari yang nih dan nih ngimet batak tapi ini. Datu deng, datu deng, datu doi sebulan, 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 datu deng, datu deng, datu do sebulan, datu deng, datu deng, datu dois bulan, datu deng, datu deng, datu dois sebulan, datu deng, datu deng, datu dois sebulan, datu deng, datu deng, datu dois sebulan, datu deng, datu deng, datu dois bulan, datu deng, datu deng, datu dois sebulan, deng, datu deng. Woohoo! So mana kamu mau? Pick, thumb, or thumb and pointer? Love you. Hey, pointer kau kan light. Senang gak? Saya pointer. Tenang ah. Acang, kau pakai mana? Pick. Oh, pointer juga. Wow, alright. Kelin? Thumb. Thumb ah. Alright, Duke, which one you prefer? Thumb or your pointer or using a guitar pick? Tapi kalau saya mau nyanyi lagu-lagu modern tekan, I prefer using this pick. Because I need lead and my rhythm, so that's why I strum using this pick. Lagu country, lagu reggae, boleh nih pakai pick. So that is for the modern lah. Apalagi you plus with the effect. Okay, Duke, you prefer thumb. Wow, very good. So normally sapek player, traditional sapek player, they use thumb. That is how I use the thumb. Okay. Everybody okay kah? So that is the skill I leave to you this evening. Yeah, that's a good idea. Submission stick, Duke. I remember my late grandpa when he played this tapi, he used a stick from the woods, the firewoods. Just pluck the stick from the firewood, then he's become his pickup. But the reason he used it because of there's no sound system that time, so to make the sound more louder, that's why he used the stick from the firewoods. Yeah, that's good idea. Where to get the shamisen stick? Maybe I can try. Shamisen sticks. Claim yung shamisen stick na. Gitar da Japan ni kayak gitar da Japan ni lok dua de kayak dua rabar dita. Tapi makai nan kudang pick de pakai de. Letag de.
Bukan na makai na string lock makapal dito ka.
Kuda dia makai tasi dia de.
Oh.
Kayak tasi. Lai sini na. Win chok na nangalap sulang conversion. Yeah, get one for me. The submission, Duke. So you practice this tune. Next class. Then you play lively. With singing. Boleh kah? With singing, Okay, I leave you with the Datu Do Wisa Bulang punya tune lagi ya. But this one is I think I put in the chord di sharp. Wait I say this tune, I share with you the lagu. You can get the tune Datu Dang Utudos Bulang in my YouTube. Kamu boleh dengar lah to practice. You can listen there to practice. Macam. So, next week kita datang sambil nyanyi. Miaka. Matalu merawat, merawat sambil nyanyi. No problem, salah pun no problem. And yeah, so you set your Zoom audio setting. Set your Zoom and audio setting, then naruh ane ya. Music, audio music setting, so baru boleh tangkap kamu punya. Okay, Colin, Chang, Lloyd, Duke, okay. Can you have a group photo? Can on your camera? Hammer. Want to use hammer kan, Duke? Duke with the. Okay, Lloyd, mana kamu, Lloyd? How's the weather in Kuchamiri? Kabar tau.
Hot. Yeah.
Okay, grup foto.
Hey,
Tapi
too
anda
hot.
ini.
Yeah.
Tapi bakam ini ke. Hoi, itu dia. Tengok gambar dia. Duke, you see behind Lloyd, that is his tapi, the wild boar, wild hawk. the headstock is wild boar actually. This is the nose. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, and 3, and 3. Okay, thank you guys. See you next month. Bye bye.